Greetings! Welcome to the glorious mess that is my office workspace. If you're a fan of Micro Four Thirds or you're looking to get into 4K, stay tuned. We're going to unbox the new Z Camera E1 Mini. This is the Z Camera E1 Mini 4K interchangeable lens camera. That's a mouthful. So a big name for a little tiny camera. And I was really curious about this because, as you can see, I have a Micro Four Thirds camera. This is the Olympus OMD series EM5, and so I already had a Micro Four Thirds lens, and I've been thinking about getting some more. So when I saw that there's a 4K camera that uses my pre-existing lenses, I was really interested. And there's a lot of promotions running on it lately. I got this one off B&H for a pretty good deal. The MSRP is $6.99, but you can often get it for half of that or less. So I couldn't pass up on the price, so let's unbox this and see what we get. It's a kind of a cool looking logo there on the box. Alright. We got a little tag that says Beyond Real. Then we've got the user manual. Little card, soft protection. It looks like it's packaged very nice and good thick foam. Here is the camera itself. So tiny little guy. So just for comparison, here's my EM5, which is a Micro Four Thirds, and as you can see, it's significantly smaller. It's about height-wise, it's almost as tall, but here, let me show the back. As you can see, significantly smaller. So, and then it just has a place to attach a lens. So it actually doesn't come with a lens unless you get like some sort of package deal. So all this is a lens cover, and that's where you attach your lens. So very tiny little thing. As you can see, it fits in the palm of my hand. I have pretty normal size hands. Alright, and then let's see what else we got. Got a little power thing here. I'm assuming this charges the battery. Little AC adapter. And we got a battery. Oh, 2 batteries. Sweet. I didn't realize I was going to get 2, so you got 2 batteries in the pack. That's awesome. Awesome bonus. Alright, and then I wanted to compare it too with just like a point and shoot. So this is just an Olympus point and shoot. And as you can see, I'm a big Olympus fan. I like their stabilization and their cameras. It's pretty awesome. So as you can see, just a little pocket. This will fit in the pocket of my jeans, just a little guy. And this is still smaller. This one is smaller than a point and shoot, and this is an interchangeable lens. It's a little, the body is slightly thicker, just slightly, but with the lens it's probably about, and the lens on this one sticks out just a tad more. So let's see if I put that behind the white one, you can still see it sticking out. And then so I brought my Panasonic along so I can see how it attaches. So go ahead and pull the lens off, show you what it looks like with a typical, and this is just a typical kit lens, 14 to 42 millimeter. On the metal, there's a little tiny dot. That's where you line it up. Usually I'm used to cameras that put it on the outside. There's some sort of indicator. So you got to look for that little dot, and then you match the red from there, and that's where it goes on. Snaps on nice and tight. So now here's what it looks like. It's kind of a funny looking thing because there's not a whole lot to hold on to here. So you're probably typically going to want to use this on a tripod. Or some sort of attachment, which is kind of what I have in mind. But I mean, you can hand hold it, but it feels a little weird because there's not a whole lot to grab onto. But anyway, it's a nice looking thing. So there you have it. There's my unboxing, and next I'll make a video review of the camera in action with some footage. I'll shoot some footage so you can see what it looks like. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for joining today for this unboxing. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun reviews coming soon.